Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers. You are still with me, Kusumaning Ayu Dewi from iNews TV. Sunday, 25 April 2021. For the next 1 hour, I will accompany you to listen to some bright news, some actual news, and some latest news in this sunny morning. The news this time is about the ban on Eid homecoming and the tightening of the rules for going home from 6 to 17 May 2021. Obviously, the government has released regulation on tightening domestic travel within a certain period of the time in the midst of coronavirus pandemic this year. However, the ban on Eid homecoming this time did not take place from the beginning of Ramadan. Seeing the tendency of people who still homecoming starts earlier, before the ban on going home from May 6 to 17, the government does not stay silent. Additional rules were issued which tighten people's mobility and complicate travel requirements that will take effect from 24 April to 24 May. Because the COVID-19 doesn't wait for the Eid homecoming period to spread to another place. Furthermore, viewers, spokesperson for the task force handling COVID-19 again urged residents not to go home. This had to be done to protect millions of Indonesians from COVID-19. Following except.
During the trip, which stretches from 6 until 17 May, there will be a screening operation for travel permit documents and negative certificates by the Indonesian National Police and local government official, referring to Task Force Circular number 12 of 2021. For domestic travel and Task Force Circular number 8 years in 2021 for international travel. This operation will be carried out in strategic places such as arrival gates or control posts in the rest area of major city border areas, checkpoint, and an area of isolation that consists of several connected city and regency center, especially for Indonesia citizens who want to return to Indonesia if there is no urgent need. They are urgent to postpone their return for this period in the hope of preventing the entry of imported case with mutation variant. If traveler is found who does not meet the travel requirement, including for homecoming or interregional tourism, the officer has the right to stop the trip and the person concerned must return to the place of origin of the trip. People who get permission to travel within this period are required to self-quarantine for 5 by 24 hours upon arrival at their destination before carrying out activities. Thank you.
Meanwhile, ahead of the enactment of the regulation on the prohibition of going home, residents of Jakarta they began to crowd a number of terminals in Jakarta to return to their hometown. Even the bus terminal manager of Pulau Gebang mentioned the number of residents leaving Jakarta to this terminal above 1,000 passengers ahead of the enactment of the prohibition of going home. Complete information will be conveyed by Pelia and cameraman from Pulau Gebang bus terminal.
Okay, thanks Ayu. Velia Lestari reported directly from the scene. Pulau Gebang Terminal in East Jakarta is the only terminal operating from 6 until 17 May 2021, where the government has officially banned homecoming from May 6 until 17, 2021. From our current observation, it has indeed increased the volume of passengers at the Pulau Gebang terminal, where the average number of daily passengers leaving Jakarta to the Pulau Gebang terminal is around 900 until 1,000 passengers. Yesterday, we had a chat with the Pulau Gebang terminal official. Since yesterday until today, there has been an increase in passengers where passengers leaving Jakarta are above 1,000, and the Pulau Gebang terminal also always socializes to the public and the best not to serve passengers who will travel back and forth on May 6 until 17. However, even though this terminal is opened on May 6 until 17, the only passengers that will be served are passengers from 6 until 17 May 2021. Are those who mourn, visit sick families, and also travel on business. In addition, for the public or passengers who want to leave Jakarta through the Pulau Gebang terminal, they must maintain strict health protocols and also use a COVID-19 free certificate. Velia Lestari, iNews TV, Jakarta.
Well, thank you Velia for reporting directly from Pulau Gebang Terminal East, Jakarta. Apart from Pulau Gebang Terminal, we will also see the situation at Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Our colleague Hanayori will report directly from Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Hanayori, is there an increase in the number of passengers there this morning?
Well, thank you, Dewi. If asked what the situation and escalation would be like, now you can see here it's not quite crowded, but it's also a very crowded situation here at Terminal 3 of Soekarno-Hatta Airport. But here we are looking at the flurry of busy people that have taken the opportunity here in Pekans. Earlier, we were able to ask some of the people, why did you choose to go home today? And they named as long as they obeyed the health protocol and carried a letter of PCR or an antigen that valid it was 1 day. That they were determined to go home. Therefore, they took today. It means that before the 5th of May, they will return home to Jakarta. Then, it's the arguments I get from one of the other Hambad associates. As the increase in data from PT Angkasa Pura II, today is 476 flights have either gone out or entered at Soekarno-Hatta Airport. And today, on 25 April 2021, there are about 528 flights going out or entering Soekarno-Hatta Airport. 10 other information certainly came from WNA who returned home after being deported by immigration was repatriated this morning at 44 hours. I will return it to Dewi.
Thank you Hanayori for reporting directly from the airport Soekarno-Hatta, Tangerang, Banten. Furthermore, viewers, how the public respond to the rules regarding the banning of this homecoming? Following an interview with our reporter with one of the residents in Jakarta.
When viewed from the aim of suppressing the COVID-19 case in Indonesia, the regulation is quite good. But why is it that when going home is prohibited? Tourist attractions are open. At tourist attraction, we meet many people from various regions who we don't even know if that person is healthy or not. In addition, we also know that during Eid holidays, tourist attractions are very crowded with visitors and even cramped. Moreover, people are prohibited from going home. Some of them will choose to go to tourist attractions that are allowed to be opened by the government. Last year, during a pandemic like this, we are also prohibited from going home. This year, it shall be going home. Eid is a rare moment, only once a year. Eid is scared moment. The family is also waiting in the village. We will also follow health protocol if it is permitted, because we also want to endanger the health of our family in the village.
Viewers, of the information earlier at the same time ended our meeting at iNews TV this time. I Kusumaning Ayu Dewi representing all the work college on duty. Goodbye resign from in front of you. Good morning and see you.